You can't just quit your job. Nakakatempt yung freedom dahil pagod ka na sa 9 to 5 job mo. Pero kailangan mo muna i-handle tong 3 things bago ka mag-resign. First is your security fund. You need 6 to 12 months ng monthly expenses mo na ipon. Kasi kung hindi mo to gagawin, you're setting yourself into stress overload. Kahit gaano ka ka-excited i-pursue yung passion mo, bills won't wait for you. Kaya secure that fund muna and hindi siya negotiable. Second, backup income stream. Kahit maliit lang muna na tipong may side hustle ka or may freelance gig ka, kasi hindi mo sure kung kailan magpe-pay off yung ini-start mo na business or yung plan mong gawin. And you need some cash flow habang nag-a-adjust ka. Third, you need to have a clear exit plan. Alam mo dapat kung ano yung what's next mo. Hindi pwedeng bahala na si Batman. Kailangan mo malaman, do you want to start a business? Or do you want to do freelance full-time? Kailangan mo ng clear steps para hindi ka ma-stuck. Alam mo, gusto ko lang naman kapag nag-quit ka sa job mo is ma-enjoy mo yung journey na yon at hindi ka mai-stress. I'll be cheering you every step of the way.